today I want to just go through it with you, show you what I've built so far using the Stan Store and how I'm using it. And so if we look on the right side of the screen, this is my Stan Store here. So this is my core URL. You can see up here, this is actually, customized, and I've got my Start and Grow brand on here. Just like a social media profile, you kind of put your name and a little bio on here, and you can link out to your other social networks. But here's where it gets interesting. You can add all these products or these, links, below your profile. So right here, we've got my Substack starter course. Here I link off to my newsletter, which is on Substack. And then I've got another newsletter that's focused on affiliate marketing, also on Substack. So again, just linking out to those assets and those newsletters. Another interesting thing here is where you can actually, provide a lead magnet. So here I offer out my free content creation system. People provide their name and email, they submit, and they can download that system right away.